Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are up by the University Hospital and we're going to give you an update on the construction of the 6-story medical tower at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Now the construction is to start for this facility this year. $1 billion was allocated in this current budget or the upcoming budget to start the construction of this massive tower. Now what's happening up at UA is it's an old hospital. It was built back in the day when there was a lot of land. So you find the buildings were more spread out horizontally. But over time, with the expansion of the hospital and the university campus, space has become an issue. So now the buildings are going to be going more vertical. So this is going to be the first 6-story structure at the hospital. So the groundbreaking ceremony for the new 6-story medical tower at the University Hospital of the West Indies was in August 2025 and marked more than just a commencement of construction. It signaled a profound shift in the regional medical landscape. For decades, the University Hospital of the West Indies has stood as a premier regional referral center, yet it has grappled with the limitations of an aging infrastructure and a fragmented layout that often hinder departmental synergy. This new $14.2 billion project, the largest single investment in the hospital's history, is a cornerstone of a mission to transform the institution into a world-class center of excellence by 2030. And actually what they're doing is demolishing a structure that was there to put up this new tower. The construction of the new medical tower at the University Hospital of the West Indies marks a major milestone in Jamaica's healthcare modernization efforts. As the island's premier regional referral center, UHWI has long played a critical role not only in serving Jamaicans but also in providing specialized medical services to patients across the Caribbean. The addition of a state-of-the-art tower is therefore a strategic investment in strengthening both national and regional healthcare capacity. The government of Jamaica has allocated more than $1 billion in the 2026-27 estimates of expenditure to advance the project this year. This allocation represents a significant portion of the overall cost of the new medical tower, which is expected to run into several billions of Jamaican dollars upon completion. The funding will support the commencement of full construction works as well as the engagement of consultancy services to oversee and guide the development process. Preliminary works have already laid the foundation for the project. The hospital's ring road has been rerouted to accommodate the expansion, and a new parking facility has been completed to improve access and traffic flow on the compound. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.